Welcome to Mr. Holloway's Foundational Java Skills series. In this video, we're going to talk about Boolean expressions. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribe to the channel. All right, now class is now in session. Now, Boolean expressions are basically expressions that evaluate to true or false. So let's do an example. So I'm going to do int. I'm going to make an x, and I'm going to set this to 0. And now I have an int. I've assigned a value of 0. I'm going to do another int y, and I'm going to assign the value to 2, and then I'm just going to print this value out. Okay, so I'm going to evaluate whether this is true or false. So let's see. What we're going to check to see is if x is equal to y. Now we're going to have a slight problem here, but we're going to fix it. And the problem is, this is the assignment operator. So the equal sign is the assignment operator. And so that's not what we want, but that can be a pretty common thing here. And so if we evaluate, if we run it, we're going to get 2, because what we're doing is we're assigning a value here, and that's not what we want. What we want to do is we want to compare. And so if you notice, we get 2. Now, Boolean expressions will evaluate the true or false. So when we run this again, we should get true or false, but in this case we're going to get false because this is not these are not equal to each other. All right, and that's just a simple Boolean expression. If I were to do not equal to, this should evaluate to true, and there it is. All right, and I don't want to belabor the situation, but in this case I could do less than, I could do equal, less than, I could do greater than. There's a number of these that we can do. But I don't want to spend too much more time on this because we're going to do a lot of this in the next video, where I'm going to talk about if-then statements, which are also known as conditional statements. So I'm going to see you in the next video. In this video, we covered Boolean expressions, and Boolean expressions simply evaluate to true or false. And so I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button as well as subscribe to the channel. And class is now dismissed.